Hey guys, I don't know if you've ever had a problem with cockroaches, insects, or rats even, but if you have, it's probably because of all the food that falls down in between, the stove and the counter, and so all of that stuff that falls down there, it just attracts all these unwanted pests basically. So yeah, so they fall in between these spaces here. If that is you, then this is the solution right here. It's not a windscreen wiper. I know it looks like one, but it's not. What it is it's the silicone stove counter gap cover. And easy clean gap filler, sealing spills between kitchen counter appliances, stove top, oven, washing machine, washer, dryer, set of two, white. And also comes in black. Okay, so if you want to follow with me and see exactly what I'm looking at here, just go and click on the link in the description below and it will take you right to this page and you can just browse with me as well. Yeah, so this is it, guys. I mean, I didn't know what it was before I saw it, and I was just curious, and I looked at it and I was like, whoa, okay, this is interesting, because it solves many people's problems and you can use it in your office as well. It says here it's easy to install, suitable measurement for your kitchen. It's customizable as well. You can cut it to size, easy to cut, easy to clean, and dishwasher safe, dust proof, and it doesn't move. And I guess it's because it's made of silicone, so yeah, it's a snug fit and works perfectly. And I looked at some of the comments, and I think people had quite a lot of good things to say about it, and these are the people who actually purchased it and used it. So this one says, perfect for all our needs. I love this. We had it for a few months and it's been an awesome product. This works perfectly with a black stove top and dark granite countertops. It blends in nicely. Cut to change appearance, so customizable. Yeah, so it's pretty cool. So if you want to have a look at what I'm seeing here, just click on the link below so that you can scroll with me. It's pretty cool. Like, yeah, so you can see here this person just cutting it to size. Beautiful. Fits in perfectly there, snug. Look at that, I'm sure we've all experienced this. Easy to clean. And there was an image that I wanted to show you. Yeah, so look at that, we've all had this happen. Okay, so yeah, so we've got, there's a video as well, demonstration video, this person just cleaning it up, and there's no sound unfortunately, but yeah, it's pretty straightforward. There she is, messing up her kitchen, and but she doesn't have to worry because she's got the silicone gap covers, and she cleans it up and voila, it's all gone. Sorry, my internet is a little bit slow, but yeah, that's pretty much it right there. Beautiful. So if this is something that you think you might enjoy using, then please just go ahead and click on the link below and it will take you right to this page, and you can order yourself one or two or more depending on how you want to use it in your house. You can also use it in your office, of course. So yeah, for what, $8.94, that's good. I think that's a good price. Unfortunately, it cannot fix the gap between or the gap in your relationships and stuff like that. So yeah, for that, if it could do that, then it will definitely go for more than $8.94. So, but yeah, so this is it. This is the silicone stove gap cover. Go ahead and click the link in the description below if you want to get one. And yeah, so if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below, and subscribe if you want to see more videos like these where I'm just reviewing awesome products, and click the bell icon if you don't want to miss a thing. So until the next video, have a good one.